na makoji adi we a o dwan bi ti sa shimo.
Oh no.
Actual letter so no disgrace me.
This is a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification at any time videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. There is wahala in NDC. Correct wahala is brooding in the NDC. NDC for us, youth organizer and as organizer has used some words, some very unprintable words on the Greater Accra Regional Chairman. And Ntokwa is between the Greater Accra Regional Chairman and then the Greater Accra Regional Youth Organizer and Access Organizer. And this happened on NDC affiliated XYZ TV and then also Power FM, which is for NDC. Now, many of this has got me thinking. You see, the evil men do will come back and bite them. And karma is very, very real. When you have a political party and you build it teaching the young ones that are coming up, say, it is normal to insult the elderly. It is normal to disrespect the elderly. It is normal to do buga buga and to have no respect for authority. It might work for you against your opponent, but eventually, when there are no more opponents to insult, to abuse verbally, they will turn to you, the teacher, and then use it on you. Because at every point in time, human beings must repeat our characters that like repetition. So when we wake up in the morning, we like to brush our teeth, we like to take breakfast, go to work, take a lunch, and take supper. That is human beings for you. So whatever you teach somebody, they like to repeat it. Right? So a baby, when you tell a baby that pick this thing, when you pick it, put it here, the baby will do that. And every time when they pick it, they want to put it here. Now what is the issue? The issue is quite tricky. Esan say, it happens that the deputy clerk, I'm told, or we are told by this very young man who happens to be one of the executives at the Greater Accra region for NDC, that there is this deputy clerk in parliament who had a Land Cruiser he had used over 9 years under NDC administration. That's the first coming of John Mahama. When he was going to retirement, the Land Cruiser was sold to him for 13,000 Ghana cedis. 130 million. Land Cruiser V8, Toyota Land Cruiser V8 for 13,000. Then he went to pay for clearance from GRA at 20,000. Just say clearance at GRA, it was more than the price of the Land Cruiser. And so let's say in all, he got a Land Cruiser V8 for 33,000 for auction. Now it happens that this young vibrant man, since you remember that after the election, they have been going after people. Most of the people who they claim have stolen things and all those, they have been going after them, ransacking people's accommodation and all. So now that there are no more MPP appointees to ransack or to go after, the young men of NDC are turned against their own executives and their own people. So they went to this man, this former clerk, deputy clerk, and went to seize the car. Now, after seizing the car, we are told that the Greater Accra Regional Chairman of NDC has gone ahead to report the whole case to the police. Now, this young man is angry on national television because his chairman has reported him and his young folks who have gone after this other member of the NDC and taking the car from him to the police. And so he came on national television and was venting his anger.
Obi a yawo car waye eduma magana ban or call retirement car we use for 9 years Land Cruiser
V8
ya auction am 13,000 cedis and we charge you 20,000. 13,000
130 million.
Me see
Land Cruiser V8
no we custom document hey auction letter na that 13,000 your auction man. What? This is the crime you are committing to the state. Na makoji adi we a o dwan bi ti sa shimo.
Oh no. Please.
Actual letter so no disgrace me.
Mr. Baby, no. a small letter.
No, G, yenti opposite hatchet job.
No.
You need to be true.
Listen. A small letter on the back. Your name is not in the letter.
The men he exposed to the police administration were the guys who went to pick the car.
But let's leave that one. It's no, please.
Yesterday, this guy was in parliament. I was telling members of parliament, say, Mima Kwaji, a retired clerk of parliament, me car. And a minimum air bargaining what to take from him.
So is that the document?
This is the document of that car. When the man called me and asked him, you say you are NDC. Is it how you want Mama to survive? This was the car allocated to you when you were deputy clerk of parliament. And you will go on retirement and you apply for it to be auctioned to you. Chief, the money you pay 30,000, is it commensurate with what? And you want to pay a duty of 20,000 cedis. I swore not to expose this man, but for him to go to Ashimo to do what he did.
Ashimo letter was from the office.
The office,
chairman.
Do you have the office of a regional chairman?
That's there.
Where? Which constitution?
In the Evangelist.
You should try it again.
No, let's move. It's your chairman.
Then he should respect himself.
It's your chairman.
If you don't have a fact, I don't need this car for anything. But we see, let me tell you, if Parliament will say they don't have use for these cars, they should offload them to district assemblies to work with.
Let's move on.
And was using words like Ojang and the others, which is very, very, very bad. Even for a host like Mugabe, who also actually we know if that goes that way, he said no, don't say this. Let's go for don't do this. But this is what happened in the NDC. Now come to the substantive issue. Is it realistic to auction a V8 for 13,000? The first question you must ask yourself is that how many years has the V8 been used? We are told the V8 has been used for about 9 years. So if a V8 has been used for over 9 years, let's not do politics because this can happen to any of us. If a V8 has been used over 9 years, which sounds to mean that maybe the car was acquired in 2009, how much was the price of a V8 in 2009? Maybe somewhere around 130,000, 150,000. After 9 years depreciation. And so the price will come down to somewhere 50, 60,000. Auction. We know auctioning, when you are auctioning something, you don't sell it at the price, original price. You add depreciation and all, and you add the fact that maybe there are issues with the car, maybe an engine, and I say the engine is no longer 100%, and all those is an auction. So to buy the car at 13,000 and to clear it at GRA at 20,000, 33,000 seems more like a fair price to me. That is me. It seems more like a fair price. But you see, do citizens have the right to go after other citizens when there are laws there and the police is in charge? If you have an issue, if you believe or think that somebody has stolen something from the state or maybe has shortened the state, there are authorities to report to, maybe Ashraji and or the others, and I say Office of the Special Prosecutor, and they are legally mandated. They are legally mandated to go after these states and confiscate them. Now, don't come and say it is citizen arrest. It is a very different ballgame. For citizen arrest, you can hold the person on the spot during the crime, and then the police will come and effect the arrest, or you hold the person there, take the person to a police station, then the police takes it out from there. Now, I believe these young men in the NDC and this very vibrant man who is insulting his chairman on TV have done this because they were first mandated and they thought it was right to go after an MPP government appointees. And so, because they did that, they thought it was lawful. Now, when you are done with MPP, what is left? You go after your own people. So, this is what is happening in NDC. And to me, I'm happy. I'm happy this is happening because you say Abaya de bought the chino and one soon I did boba. And Omudia bought the chi with the MPP for. They say MP4 asa and they say Akaba buy a wine NDC for now executives. So keep it up. This has been the political round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one.